What is up, guys? It's R4UL TV, Team R4UL. We're back again, back in the garage, and what we're going to do this time is we've got a 2011 Toyota Prius here, right? I'm going to change the front wishbones on it. I don't know if I've done this video in the past and stuff, but anyway, we're going to do it again, right? But the reason being I'm going to do it, I'm going to show you guys, is because this is a pig of a job. Absolute rubbish job to do. If you're going to attempt it on the floor, I would suggest you don't, because one of the bolts are absolutely headache to take off, right? So we'll get to that when we get to that. First things first, we're going to take the wheel off. Right, the first thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to take this cover off. It's held on by these little plastic clips kind of thing, push on clips kind of thing, all the way around. Take this cover off. The thing is, we can't really take this cover off totally, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all these off and then swing it around this way, bungee cord, tie it onto the front bumper. That way it's out of the way. Right, guys, as you can see, I've made this contraption here. Obviously I can't take the full you know, panel off because it's messing about and everything. So what we need to do is we need to get to this bolt here, right? So that'll do. Yeah, plenty of space to get to it. What we're going to do now is I'm going to crack these. Don't take them off. This one, no problem. The bolt, it's a nut and bolt basically on the back, round the back bush. That's no problem. The main culprit and the hardest thing to take off on this car is this bolt here. Right, that goes into the subframe, into the chassis basically. If the bush inside starts spinning, then I would say run for the hills, mate. That's what I'm saying, run for the hills. Because what happens is you cannot take, it's unbelievably hard to take it off. So fingers crossed, I'm going to attempt it, see if this comes off. If it comes off, happy days, I'm going to be relaxing. If it doesn't come off, then I'm in for the long run. Let's go. Okay, guys, a little bit of an issue here. We've got the gearbox, the bolt has come off, no problem, happy days. I'm really chuffed with that. Somebody in the past has already done it. That's why it's got a bit of copper grease and everything in it. So thank you very much, whoever's done it before. Must have been me actually, or something. My customer, so it must have been me. The thing is, that doesn't come out there, yeah. So we can go ahead, take the mounting off and everything, move the gearbox. So what we're going to do is, we're not going to do that. All I'm going to do is get a pry bar in there, lift the gearbox up a touch. That should come out, yeah? If it doesn't, then I'm buggered, but I think it should. Alright, let's go. Here we go, guys. One wishbone off. Luckily, this has been done before in the past. So that bolt there, let me just switch it around. That bolt there, it came off nice and easy. 9 times out of 10, it should come off nice and easy, but you get the odd occasion where it doesn't come off, and then you're absolutely pretty much buggered. If you're going to attempt it outside your house, if that bolt comes off, I would attempt that bolt first. If that bolt comes off first, then carry on with the rest of it. If it doesn't come off first, then I would take it to a garage and do it there. Right, let's fit the new one. Right, guys, there's the new one. Ready to go on. Only one thing to do. Let's get it on. As you can see, he's not bought it with the ball joint. Obviously the customer bought the part, he's not bought it with the ball joint. To be honest with you, I would put it on with the ball joint, but he didn't, so that's it, we'll go from there. Basically put it in here first. Yeah, let me hold it. Put it in here first and then push that in there. So basically put that side in first and then swing the wishbone round. And it'll go onto there, onto the ball joint. Happy days, job done. There we go, guys, all done and dusted. Wishbone is on, all the bolts are on. What I would recommend you do is put all the bolts on first, loose, then go tightening it up. You don't want to go tighten the back ones but then mess it up, you know, it will mess up if you do that. Basically put everything on first, loose, and then go tightening it up. Anyway, guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope this video helps you guys out. If it does help you guys out, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Yeah, let's smash that like button. Yeah. Anyway, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.